Hi, and welcome back to a new season. My name's Karen, and this is a channel for women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the new skincare products that I've been trying for my 67-year-old mature skin with wrinkles, lines, texture, pores, and all kinds of good stuff. So if you're interested in content like this, stay tuned. So the first thing I did, since I don't know anything about skincare, was I watched a lot of videos and I sent for Curology. And I got my kit. And the little kit contained 3 things. It contained a cleanser. Here's the cleanser. And then I got my medication, and this is a nice pump. And it has your prescription on the front, so it's specifically for you based on what you said on the quiz. And then there is a rich moisturizer, and I love these 2 products. These are really nice. However, this one caused me to peel all over my face. I figured that I needed to just take a pause for a minute, so I did. I took a pause for a couple of days, hoping that that would kind of give my skin a chance to calm down. I thought, well, you know, I'll just do it like every other night. So I tried that for a week and I was still peeling. So I finally decided that maybe my skin was too sensitive and that I had jumped headfirst into a pond that I just wasn't ready to swim in yet, if you know what I mean. And so I stopped the Curology altogether. But I had seen some lightening and some brightening, and I thought, you know, I do need a skincare regimen. So I don't want to give up on this entirely, but I want to kind of back off and do something that's a little more safe and maybe a little more gentle for me as a beginner. So I started investigating other products that were from different lines that have you know, skin cleansing routines for mature skin, and I came across Paula's Choice. And so that's what I've been using since I stopped the Curology. And what I did was I sent off for the little travel pack. This is their Optimal Results Hydrating Cleanser. This is very silky and mild. It says it replenishes the skin's protective barrier, and I have had absolutely no issues with this. It even takes off eye makeup really well. The second part to this routine is a daily smoothing treatment with 5% AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acids. In this case, it's glycolic acid. And this is to fight the signs of sun damage and evening your skin tone. So this is an exfoliant. The third part of this routine is a barrier repair moisturizer with retinol. And this is to smooth and hydrate and firm skin, and it targets all signs of aging. And the last part of this is the skin restoring moisturizer. And it has an SPF of 50 and antioxidants, and it says it hydrates skin, evens skin tone, and helps prevent UV damage and signs of aging. Now I still use, I've enjoyed this too. It's working just fine as far as I can tell, but I still add my Australian Gold sunscreen. This has an SPF 50 because I know that I am not going to use what is it, a quarter of a teaspoon out of this, because I'm trying to make it stretch so that it comes out even with all the other products while I test them out. So I still use this. And what you see on my skin right now is the Paulas Choice skincare and my Australian Gold sunscreen. So that's all I have on my face. Then I decided to go in with a mechanical smoothing type treatment for my 11s. I don't know if you can see them, but I came across Frownies facial patches. And what you get in the box are a set of instructions how to use this, and they're very specific and clear about how to do it. You also are recommended to get the Rosewater Hydrator. Patches, and you get an entire box full of the patches. Now these patches look like one big sheet. They're really not. They are perforated, so you can you can tear them apart, and one side is shiny. This is the side that has the glue that will adhere to your skin, and then the other side is like a craft paper kind of thing. So what you do is you take the rose water, you make sure, and you can apply these over your skincare. So I do my skincare at night, and then I wait for a while until it's soaked in pretty good, so maybe 15 minutes, and you spray the shiny side of the paper, and I'm gonna do it just to show you what it's like. So just get it wet with a couple of spritzes from the rose water, and then I'm just gonna let that sit for a minute, and you massage the area. I guess this brings circulation to the muscles. Then you stretch the area out to try to smooth it, and then you place the Frownie patch right where you want it to hold, and you press it onto your skin, and now it's adhered. And then I just go to bed, and in the morning when I wake up, this is stiff. It's almost like putting a little cast on your 11s. They also have sets for crow's feet, for laugh lines. They have a little different type of an application for around your mouth. So you can go to the website. I'll link the website below. You can go to the website and check it out. So in the morning when I wake up and this is dry, you just moisten it with water. I usually take a really wet washcloth and just soak it pretty good. And then you just gently like peel off the sides and continue to wet and peel it off and peel it off, and it will come off. And you will see a noticeable difference the very first time you use it. Another issue that I've been dealing with that I'd really like to improve is my neck. I'm suffering from the lack of elasticity, sagging, you know, the whole thing. And so I was doing research on that too. And I came across the City Beauty Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. It is a thick, I don't know how well you can see this. There we go. It's a thick cream, very thick cream, and it comes with this little spatula or kind of like scooper thing. And what you do is twice a day, so you can use this morning and night when you do your other skincare, is I just take the spatula and scoop up like a little heaping scoop of it, and then I apply that to my neck. This is a very nice texture cream. It soaks right in, it feels really good, and it's fine under makeup from what I can tell. So the last skincare product that I would like to talk to you about is a body lotion. This is the Alba Botanical Hawaiian Hand and Body Lotion, replenishing cocoa butter to condition and restore moisture. It's hypoallergenic. These are cruelty-free, clean products. This is a beautiful lotion. It's getting cold now. I'm gonna be feeling the effects of that, like having the heat on in the house kind of dehydrates my skin. And so I found this at Target or TJ Maxx the other day for $5.99. And I thought it was a bargain, so I picked that up, and I'll be using that on my body to help soothe and moisturize that during the winter. I really like this brand, and it smells good. If you like the smell of like a mild coconut smell, you'd probably enjoy this as well. That's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing if you haven't already. Maybe leave a comment. Tell me what your skincare routine is, because I'm researching. I'm trying to find the things that are going to help me, and I could use your help as well, because I'm a novice to all this too. So I hope to see you again. And until then, remember, just by being you, you are enough. Thanks. Bye.